What's up guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best windshield cleaning tools on the market today. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price performance or its particular use, we have got you covered. For more information on the products, I have included links in the description box down below which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. In our list, the number 5 product name is Chemical Guy's Window Cleaner. The GO2 Glass Cleaner. Streak-free is the gentle, tint-safe glass cleaner that removes dirt, dust, fingerprints, grease, oil, and grime with no leftover residue, no streaking, and no fuss. A truly clean experience. Streak-free leaves no streaks, spots, or stains and truly makes your glass disappear. Containing static inhibiting agents that help resist dust that is attracted to the surface due to the charge generated by rubbing surface with a towel. Ammonia-free. Streak-free is the gentle ammonia-free formula, safe for any window tint film. Other cheaper glass cleaners work by using harsh and toxic chemicals that stain, bubble, and degrade your tint. No harsh chemicals. Streak-free is mixed without volatile chemicals, harsh cleaners, or caustic ingredients, ensuring your expensive tint gets the most delicate yet thorough cleansing experience possible. Not just for your CR, perfect for auto, home, and office. Works on glass, mirrors, screens, lenses, and more. Professional grade results anyone can achieve. In our list, the number 4 product name is Invisible Glass Window Cleaner. Invisible Glass Cleaner. Invisible Glass Cleaner is the number 1 top seller in automotive for window and glass cleaning at home and in the car. Get a brilliant, streak-free shine that's instantly noticeable. Convenient spray bottle. Our convenient trigger spray bottle makes it easy to squeeze out every drop and get a brilliant shine on your car, truck, Jeep, boat, or RV glass. Residue-free. Free from soaps, scents, and dyes. Our proprietary blend ensures a brilliant shine without any streaky additives. Achieve spotless, streak-free glass with our 100% residue-free formula. Safe for tinted glass. Ammonia-free and perfect for all glass surfaces, including tinted windows, windshields, stainless steel appliances, and more. Proudly made in the USA. Invisible Glass is formulated, manufactured, and distributed in the USA. We use superior ingredients to deliver unmatched performance and reliability you can trust. We're committed to your satisfaction. If anything doesn't meet your expectations, contact us, and we'll make it right. In our list, the number 3 product name is Chemical Guy's Glass and Window Cleaner. Streak-free window cleaner is the glass cleaner that will give you truly crystal clear results with no streaking. The all-new versatile formula is safe for tinted windows and can be used throughout your car, home, and office for the clearest view and best vision on all clear surfaces. Streak-free window clean removes dirt, dust, fingerprints, grease, oil, and grime from any glass or clear plastic surface with no leftover residue. Simply mist on windows, mirrors, screens, lenses, or any other clear plastic or glass surface and wipe away the filth. Work safely on all automotive brands including Acura, Audi, BMW, Buick, Cadillac, Chevrolet, Chevy, Chrysler, Dodge, Fisker, Ford, GMC, Honda, Hummer, Hyundai, Infiniti, Isuzu, Jaguar, Jeep, Kia, Land Rover, Lexus, Lincoln, Mazda, Mercedes, Mercury, Mini, Mitsubishi, Nissan, Pontiac, Porsche, Ram, Saab, Subaru, Tesla, Toyota, Volkswagen, and Volvo, and RV brands like Coachman, Integra, Forest River, Newmar, Thor Motor Coach, Winnebago, Airstream, KZ, and Keystone. Chemical Guys is more than a company, it's a lifestyle. Join the movement and discover the culture of passion and dedication to all things car care that has garnered us a worldwide following. Learn to completely care for your vehicle and find the products you need to elevate your car from a lackluster ride to a statement that reveals your inner shine. Become a part of the Chemical Guys family and uncover the true meaning of pride and passion. In our list, the number 2 product name is DetailThat Glass Cleaner. Crystal clear, streak-free shine. Achieve flawless clarity with our streak-free glass cleaner, perfect for car windows, home mirrors, and household glass surfaces. Designed for maximum visibility, it leaves no residue, providing a polished finish inside and out. Whether you're cleaning the inside of your windshield or home windows, this advanced formula ensures a pristine look every time. Safe, ammonia-free formula. Our ammonia-free glass cleaner is tough on grime but gentle on surfaces, making it safe for tinted windows and delicate finishes. Perfect for both automotive and household use, it offers powerful cleaning without compromising safety, making it an ideal choice for professionals and families alike. Fragrance-free for sensitive users. Sensitive to strong smells? Our fragrance-free car glass cleaner delivers a neutral, clean experience, making it suitable for sensitive users and professional detailing environments. Enjoy a fresh, streak-free clean without any overpowering scents. Made in the USA with non-toxic ingredients. Proudly crafted in the USA, our glass cleaner is a reflection of our faith-based family values. As a family with 5 sons, we are committed to creating a business legacy rooted in safety and quality. Our non-toxic formula avoids the harmful chemicals often found in other products. No blisters, no vertigo, just clean glass and peace of mind. Trusted by professional detailers and homeowners, this product reflects our mission to prioritize health and integrity. Easy spray and wipe application. Cleaning glass has never been easier. Simply spray and wipe for a streak-free, spotless finish on car windows, mirrors, navigation screens, and more. Perfect for quick touch-ups or professional detailing jobs, this user-friendly formula saves time while delivering flawless results. In our list, the number 1 product name is Blask Car Window Cleaner Spray. Strong glass cleaning agent. Blask number 10 Glass Perfect is a powerful glass cleaner, easily removing contaminants from both inside and outside of your glass surfaces. Turn your car windows into invisible glass, free of streaks and oil films. Unmatched hydrophobic coating. Our formula offers a hydrophobic layer, as this car glass cleaner doubles as a water repellent, providing unmatched windshield visibility even in rain or snow. 2-in-1 cleaning and ceramic coating. With Blask Glass Perfect, achieve a residue-free cleaning along with a protective coating, simplifying your car washing and detailing process. Versatile application. Not just for your car's interior and exterior, use it on showrooms, windows, screens, and all glass surfaces. Its versatile formula ensures a clean oil film-free perfect finish. Ammonia-free glass cleaner spray. Blask number 10 Glass Perfect is an ammonia-free glass cleaner spray, providing a safe and effective solution for all your car glass cleaning needs.